I want to do something for you.
Yeah, do whatever you want.
There is somebody. It is time for someone to go down.
Let the person go down.
As I talk to you now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
something don't they happen.
Yes, sir.
Are you hearing me?
Carry on.
Something don't they happen.
Make it happen, as you say.
How many accounts do they use? How many accounts do they use?
I have 3 accounts.
Which one?
Echo, GT, and Access.
And Access.
Yes, sir.
Where is your Echo Bank ATM?
I don't be finding this for a long time.
For a long time.
Yes, sir. It was last week. I went to report to the bank. I blocked the account, sir.
Okay, you have blocked the account.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If not, if you have you gotten another ATM?
I never get it.
Okay. Since you have blocked the account, what I want to do for you, just touch your hand on my shoe.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, put it on the ground. Oh yeah, okay.